Okay, real talk. Have you ever set 17 alarms, left the house 20 minutes early, and still somehow rolled up 12 minutes late? Yeah, me too. Or maybe you're the friend waiting in the parking lot, checking your watch and thinking, they said 7, it's 7:18. Classic. If being chronically late is your cardio, this one's for you. Today, the psychology of people who are always late but swear they're trying. And spoiler, it's not just laziness. Let's start with the signs. If 3 or more of these hit home, welcome to the club. Sign number 1, time feels stretchy. You think it's only a 10-minute drive. Meanwhile, Google Maps says 22 minutes with traffic. Your brain hears 10 minutes and goes, plenty of time to scroll TikTok for 15 more. We call this the planning fallacy. Your future self is apparently a time wizard who bends reality. Sign number 2, the just one more thing trap. You're about to leave, then you remember the dishes, or the plant needs water. Suddenly, it's 20 minutes later and you're still in your pajamas. Sound familiar? Sign number 3, you're secretly an optimist. Deep down, you believe traffic will part like the Red Sea and every red light will turn green just for you. Spoiler, the universe didn't get the memo. And sign number 4, you hate waiting more than anything, so you avoid it by making other people wait instead. It's like emotional jujitsu. I'd rather be the late one than the one sitting there bored. Harsh, but kind of true, right? So why does this happen? Psychologists say it's a mix of things. First, optimism bias. We underestimate tasks because our brains love happy endings. Second, present bias. Right now feels real. Future consequences? Meh. Future John can handle it. Shout out to Future John. He's always got it together, supposedly. Third, time blindness. For some, the clock just doesn't register the same way. It's not I don't care, it's my brain's clock is on island time. But here's the best part. Most always late people feel guilty about it. They really are trying. So if you're the late one, cut yourself some slack. It's a brain thing, not a character flaw. And if you're the one waiting, know it's rarely personal. Quick tips. Set fake early deadlines or use the 2-minute rule. Or just own it. I'm the late friend. Love me anyway. What about you? Are you team always early or fashionably late club president? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story.